Meaning of flextime.
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 Flextime. Flextime refers to a type of work schedule that allows employees to have some control over the hours they work. Instead of working set hours every day, employees can adjust their schedules within certain boundaries to fit their needs. This can mean starting work earlier or later, taking extended breaks, or working longer days in exchange for shorter ones. The result of a flextime policy is usually increased employee satisfaction and motivation, which can lead to improved productivity and retention rates. Additionally, flexible schedules can make it easier for employees to manage personal responsibilities alongside their work commitments.